Welcome to Off the Beat Travels. Packing can be one of the most stressful parts of travel, but with the right tips and tricks, it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll be sharing our ultimate packing guide, with tips and tricks for every type of traveler. Whether you're a minimalist packer or someone who likes to bring everything but the kitchen sink, we've got you covered. First things first, it's important to choose the right luggage for your trip. If you're going on a short trip, a carry-on bag may be all you need. If you're going on a longer trip or need to pack more items, a larger suitcase or backpack may be necessary. Choose a bag that's the right size for your needs, and make sure it's sturdy and durable. Now let's move on to packing itself. The key to successful packing is to be organized. Start by making a packing list of everything you need to bring. This will help you avoid forgetting anything important and ensure that you don't overpack. Divide your packing list into categories, such as clothing, toiletries, and electronics. When it comes to clothing, pack versatile items that can be mixed and matched. Choose clothing that's appropriate for the climate and activities you'll be doing, and pack items that can be layered for warmth. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space, and use packing cubes or compression bags to keep your clothing organized. For toiletries, pack travel-sized items to save space and weight. Use a toiletry bag to keep everything organized and easy to access, and consider packing solid toiletries like shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets to reduce waste. Electronics can take up a lot of space in your luggage, so choose wisely. Bring only the essentials, such as your phone, camera, and charger. Consider leaving your laptop at home and using your phone or tablet for work or entertainment instead. Now let's talk about packing for specific types of trips. If you're going on a beach vacation, pack a swimsuit, cover-up, sunscreen, and a hat. If you're going on a hiking trip, bring appropriate footwear, a backpack, and a first aid kit. And if you're going on a city break, pack comfortable shoes, a small purse or backpack, and a guidebook or map. No matter what type of traveler you are, there are a few universal packing tips to keep in mind. First, always pack a few extra plastic bags for dirty laundry or wet items. Second, bring a small first aid kit with basic supplies like bandages, pain relievers, and antiseptic. And finally, don't forget to leave some extra space in your luggage for souvenirs or gifts. In conclusion, packing doesn't have to be a stressful part of travel. By following these tips and tricks, you can pack like a pro and be ready for any type of trip. Remember to choose the right luggage, be organized, pack versatile clothing, bring travel-sized toiletries, and pack appropriately for your trip. Happy travels! Thanks for watching. And until next time.